Monday morning, 11:15 a.m. right here in front of my house, Capital Boulevard. A heavy rainstorm. Let me close this window. A heavy rainstorm came through, and we have got a major accident. And when we get real close to it, I'll be able to show you exactly what happened. From the looks of it, looks like a tractor trailer or some larger truck has just flipped over. And I could see the tracks behind me where he ran off the road. He was definitely in this lane where I'm in right now. So I think probably, speed, somebody texting, got in his way, something happened. And it looks like we're definitely going to have to merge off this this one lane here. But let me see if I can get in front of this UPS truck here, and I'll be able to film this. So stand by as we approach the impending accident. Looks like fire and rescue is already on the scene. Definitely. All right, thank you very much, buddy, for letting me in. Let's see, a car and, it's a rollback with a car on it. Oh, guy was definitely speeding. These guys in these rollbacks always speed. Tow drivers. Here we go. Oh yeah, towing company. And here we go. All right, the excitement never stops in Raleigh. There's always, and I'm telling you, those were two tow trucks, and I know what they were doing. They were taking cars to the auction, because the auction's on Tuesday here. It's Statesville Auction is right up the street here. So that's exactly what happened. Oh well, this is your Action News reporter, Tom, coming at you with more excitement here in Raleigh. Y'all have a blessed day. See you later. And it's still raining here, folks. Still raining. But it's going to be moving out in a couple hours. All right, out of here. See you later.